Switch it up. This is Doo Rag Nation. Not out of Compton, but straight out of Columbus. Oh yeah, let's get it. Make room, baby. Here we come. Doo Rag Nation. Wear it, own it. Hold up, rewind. Nah, not that. This is the drop. Okay then, lock it in. Oh yeah, run it. Doo Rag Nation, where style meets comfort. Wear it, own it. Tap in, baby. Where you at? Drop them in the comments. Let me hear you. Rag talk. Let's go. Watch this. Let's move. Switch it up. Turn it up. Bring it in. Kick that beat. Oh yeah. Doo Rag Nation. Let's go, baby. We're rocking. Rocking hot. Hey folks, this is Doo Rag Nation, where waves ain't a hobby, it's a lifestyle. If you're serious about your crown, your fit, and your presence, you already know the move. Now let's talk signature heat. The Beige Velour Doo Rag. Smooth velour feel, luxury on contact, clean, neutral, colorway, matches everything, flexes everywhere. Premium quality that lays it down right and keeps you looking polished from sunup to late night. Don't just wear a do-rag, wear the standard. Tap in with Doo Rag Nation right now. And a quick word from our sponsor, Strictly About Business, the Business Creators. We turn opportunities into your profit. If you're building, scaling, or hustling smarter, this is your lane. Visit www.strictlyaboutbusiness.com. Next up, the Rental Group, real estate service specialist for business and property owners, vendors, landlords, and tenants. Inspections, support, solutions done the right way. Learn more at www.therentalgrp.com. Doo Rag Nation, on your head, business on your mind, wealth in your future. Let's go.